Hey everyone, welcome back to Survival Addiction. Today we will be doing a review for the Tactile Turn Extraterrestrial Fall. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is pull it out in the box. Okay. So the price ranges from $200 to $400. So that will give this a score of 5. All right, for materials, this is made out of titanium and it's anodized. So I'm going to give that a 9. Titanium is one of the best materials you can get, in my opinion. It's lightweight, strong, pretty, and pretty easy to anodize. So that's going to be a 9. And then as far as the design, it's probably one of my favorite designs. It's really, really pretty. Very unique. Has purple, green, blue, brownish gold. So it's a nice combination. All right, and then as far as functionality goes, yeah, I mean, it's pretty darn functional. From what I understand is Tactile Turn also takes extra, like different refills. So if you don't think it's functional enough at the moment, you can get different refills to make it more functional. All right, and then as far as the opening goes, it's a little bit sticky as far as opening goes. It's not the smoothest opening pen I've ever held. So I'm gonna give it a 5 because it's a slightly sticky opening. All right, and then the very last category is comfort. So I'm going to give it a 7. It's fairly comfortable. It's nice to hold. I'm not worried about breaking it. So I'm going to give that a 7. So that leaves this pen with a total score of 7 out of 10. Thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.